Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. In today's video we'll be looking at simple long trading strategy for boom and crash. Okay, we're going to check out how to identify when it's going to go for long and how we can take advantage of it. Okay, if you're having, this is very good for those that are having huge capital, and for those that are having small trading capital also. Okay, if you're having huge capital, then you can stay all through the process and trade till the very end. And if you're having small capital, you can scalp trade within this period and build up your trading capital to a reasonable level. So if you fall in between any of these, then you need to watch this video to the end so that you will understand how to go about it. So let's go straight to the platform. But before doing that, I would like to let you know that this is coming from Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, this is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some successful trade in the forex market. Okay, if you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, grab a few tips there, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. This is very vital and important. If you must make money in your trading strategy, you must be in this niche, then you must be patient enough to understand what you want to do, understand the market, then practice and perfect before you jump into your real account. Okay, this is very important. If you are not patient enough, then you might not really get it right. Okay, so let's before we jump into it, if you are new on this platform or probably you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, if you have any question about any of my videos at all, probably you want to learn more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to learn more or know more about any of my trading indicators, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. So let's go straight to the trading platform to see how we can do that. Okay, so I'm going to go straight into today's training properly, how to identify long trade and how to take full advantage of it. Like I said, boom and crash, both of them are um they are trend trading asset. I've been saying this over and over in my videos, and most of you don't really understand why I keep hammering on this. Okay, the reason is once you are able to identify the trend, then you will be able to trade for a very long time. Okay, for instance, for crash, if you are to buy crash, then you need to buy it when the market is on uptrend. Okay, that is very important. So I'll be using the QDC setup QDC setup to explain here, because right here you can easily identify the trend of the market, and you can also follow up the signal that supports the trend. Like I said, if you follow the signal that supports the trend, then you will be able to trade for a very long time. Then you have more confidence to trade. Okay, so how do we know the trend? There are three things showing us the trends on this setup. Okay, the first one is the candle indicator on the main chart. The second one is the indicator on the second indicator window. Then the third one is this one. Okay, this particular one shows us a trend for a very long period. The third one shows us the general trend for a very long period, but the second one and the candle indicator shows us the trend within that region alone. Okay, so it might be for long and it can also be for short, but in most cases it is usually for short. Okay, so which one are we going to focus more on? We will be focusing more on the third indicator window. Okay, once we see, if we are to buy crash, once we see this uptrend arrow popping out on this yellow bar, then and we start seeing the green bars showing, then we should know that it is time for us to buy. And once we get a buy signal here, then we can come in and trade. Check it out, this is our entry point now, and check it out. It keeps on going up within this region. This is actually up to this level is 90-minute candles, but if you should take it backward a bit, I mean forward a bit, you see that it keeps on going and going. This is where we stopped here, and where we got our 90-minute candles, and even to this level where we got this is another 70-minute candle. So this is how you can use it to trade for a very long time. So how do you now trade it? Okay, this is the first thing you should look out for. Check out the trend. Once you see this and it is starting, you have seen the uptrend arrow showing up, and the first green candle has appeared, and this is coming out from zero level to up level. And then you got a buy trend here, then you should know that it should go for a very long time. You should know that it should go for a very long time. Then you can come in and trade. So if you're having low trading capital, because it is going up does not mean there won't be crash at all. If you should check right here, there was a little crash here, though it is not that significant, and you can see there is another one here, and there are some that will not go straight like this. You'll be having crash in between. So that is why I said if your capital is not strong enough, the first thing you should consider is your lot size. Your lot size should be good enough for the capital you are using. Okay. So that is very, very important. Then another thing you should consider is if your capital is not strong enough, if you are not having huge capital, or you are not confident enough within this green region where we have an uptrend, you can come in, pick up 3 5-minute candles, close your trade, check if it is still within the green region. If yes, and if there is a drop down, you can come in again. If the green region is still there, come in again, pick few candles and close your trade. So you can do that several times on this green region alone, and if you are having strong capital to trade with, if you're having strong capital to trade it with, once you open your trade around here, you can leave it till you get this drop down arrow and exit your market, because that means it will soon start crashing around there. If you should check it, the drop down arrow came out before it started crashing. So that is very, very important. So you can use that to trade it successfully. So I'll be stopping here for now. I want you to practice with this strategy so that you will understand how it works, and practice with it. I have practiced with it. I am also using it on my real account, so you too practice with it, understand the way it works, make sure you learn the full strategy and understand it before you go fully into it. Okay, so while you are practicing, you will see one or two things probably that I didn't explain before. You will discover them on your own, and you will be able to ask me if it is right or not, and if it is something you can apply with it, so that you will be able to have successful trades. So send message to me on WhatsApp if you practice with this, so that we can discuss together on how to have a successful trade with it. Okay, so I'll be stopping here for now. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now, and if you have any question, please kindly contact me on WhatsApp, and I will reply you as soon as possible. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.